Beautiful day today, and it was a chilly start with temperatures generally in the 50s on both sides of the lake. Now tomorrow morning we will be a little bit colder and more 40s and fewer low 50s. So I think more lower 40s, especially on the North Shore, more mid-upper 50s away from the city, and probably right in the metro area, upper 40s and low 50s. Now not quite as chilly on Wednesday morning, but still a cool start. But gradually those morning lows and afternoon highs will be on the rise. Beautiful outside right now looking toward downtown. 72 degrees. Dew points are low. Humidity is only at 37% with winds out of the northwest, but that wind direction will be changing almost as soon as overnight tonight to more west and southwest. Now high pressure will still be dominant, but with an onshore wind, humidity starts slowly coming back up. Now when our climate data came out, the high was 71. Obviously our current temperature of 72 is the high for the day. So basically right at about average, and our morning low was actually a little bit below average and will probably be a couple of degrees colder still to start our Tuesday. Upper 60s at lakefront, but otherwise in the low and mid 70s at this hour, with dew points having come down behind a system that moved through late yesterday. Had some lingering clouds earlier this morning, but the dew points were already falling late last night, so that was the cooler and less humid air moving in to kind of start off a beautiful week. We also had a little bit of a stronger wind earlier in the day. Those winds have diminished, and with high pressure kind of shifting over us, then down kind of the south and east of us, our winds are going to be very light overnight tonight. So very spring-like. Temperatures generally at or above normal through the rest of the week with a gradual warm-up, and with warmer temperatures, you know, we start to increase the humidity, and that will probably be the fuel for likely storms on Saturday with some severe weather possible. Still working it out right now. We'll talk more about it in a moment. Here's the system that moved through yesterday, bringing with it some light showers, but generally more cloud cover that lingered into early this morning, thankfully clearing away. And now with high pressure kind of centered over southeast Texas, that is going to create for another beautiful day tomorrow. We'll stay under clear skies overnight tonight. Maybe some patchy areas of fog early tomorrow morning, though models not very aggressive. But also notice starting tomorrow, winds are already back off of the Gulf, so humidity will start increasing. A little bit more of a muggier feel beginning Wednesday and certainly on into Thursday. Now, a lot of sunshine Wednesday, but a few passing clouds. An upper disturbance moves by on Thursday, likely increasing clouds with maybe a stray shower. The best chance of rain, though, doesn't come in until Saturday, and that's with a much stronger disturbance. So here goes one feature that I was just showing you off the southeast coast. Here's this next little disturbance, fairly weak, and most rainfall stays north of us. That's on Thursday. Friday, dry but warm and humid. Then here comes a fairly powerful system associated with severe weather, strong winds, and even blizzard-like conditions on the northwestern side. Now, what's going to be the big question mark is as this system moves into the central plains, that's when we'll start to see a front moving our way with the potential of severe weather. This is Friday. Our severe threat looking to be more on Saturday. However, that upper disturbance, which if you saw on Friday was over Kansas, is now moving up toward Minnesota and Wisconsin. So it is moving toward the northeast, not east or not southeast. So there is going to be a question as how much potency is left of this disturbance once it gets here. We're definitely looking at a storm chance for Saturday, but exact timing is still in question. This is the Euro with storms on Saturday after late morning and through the afternoon, and then going into the latter part of the evening and night. Not great news for the Irish Channel Parade with those storms rolling in. Severe weather threat greatest to our north on Friday, and then that does move our way for Saturday with a likelihood of a level at least 3 just to our north, maybe including parts of the North Shore. So there is still a big question mark with the timing and the severity of our storms on Saturday, but right now looking at a fairly decent likelihood of it being a stormy day. Also looks like a front will move through, bringing with it beautiful weather, including St. Patrick's Day itself.